Hey friends, if you wish to remove or update saved passwords using Credential Manager on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Credential Manager in the Windows search bar and open Credential Manager. We have web credentials here and Windows credentials here. So whenever you open it, it will show you all the list of credentials that are saved on Windows, and these are the ones which are saved internally on the browser. So the Windows credentials may also include the credentials for browsers, because that browser is on the system, but the credentials saved inside the browser will be a something separate. Now, for example, you can expand this one. You can also check your passwords here, okay? But I will refrain from doing that. And if you wish to remove it, all you need to do is click on remove, or you can also edit it. You can enter your username here and you can change the password, or you can simply remove a password here, okay, by clicking on this option. Similarly, for web credentials, it will show all the saved web credentials, especially for Microsoft Edge, and you can remove them, and you can also show the credentials, okay. It will also mention the websites for which the credentials have been saved. This is how we can use the Credential Manager, and it is an excellent tool to manage your work and your credentials without logging on to your browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.